Prepare to be amazed. Beneath your feet lies a world teeming with secrets, waiting to be unraveled. This isn't just any world. It's a subterranean Galapagos, an onion-layered metal marvel, and a diamond-producing factory, all rolled into one. Buckle up as we embark on a thrilling exploration of Earth's hidden wonders, each more fascinating than the last. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, click the bell icon as well. It really helps me out and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get started. Buckle up, because under your feet there's a whole world teeming with tiny life. Forget just a few bugs down there, we're talking billions of bacteria, archaea, and even some fancy eukarya. Think more complex organisms. Forget your backyard, this is like a subterranean Galapagos, chock full of diversity scientists never expected. Turns out, 70% of all Earth's microbes live underground, way more than anyone thought. It's like a whole hidden biosphere, and it might even be crazier than what we see up here. Pretty mind-blowing, right? But here's the kicker. We barely understand this underground party. We know it's there, we know it's diverse, but how it all works and how it affects the surface world is a mystery. Plus, these microbes are living in some seriously harsh conditions, making us wonder how they even survive. So, next time you step outside, remember there's a whole hidden universe under your feet, full of tiny life forms living in ways we can't even imagine. Pretty cool, huh? Turns out, Earth isn't just a 4-layer cake, crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. It's more like a metal onion, with an extra surprise hidden deep inside. Scientists discovered this secret inner core, about 400 miles wide, back in 2002. Talk about a plot twist. Before, we thought the inner core was the last stop on Earth's journey to the center. But nope. There's a tiny, mysterious metal ball nestled even deeper. We don't know much about it yet, but scientists are using earthquake ripples like super-powered sonars to peek inside. Imagine throwing a pebble in a pond and seeing how the ripples bounce back. That's kind of what they're doing with seismic waves. So, next time you feel the ground rumble, remember, it might be Earth's hidden core saying hello. Who knows what other secrets it holds? Earth's core, a fiery, molten mess, might be hiding a secret diamond factory. In 2022, scientists cooked up a mind-blowing experiment mimicking the extreme heat and pressure of the Earth's core using lasers and X-rays. Turns out, under these conditions, things get weird and wonderful. Here's the deal. 90% of Earth's carbon chills in the core, sometimes bumping into minerals from the ocean crust. Scientists wanted to see what happens when you mix carbon, water, and molten iron under crazy pressure. Normally, you'd get rust, but in the Earth's core, apparently it's diamond time. The water and iron team up to form oxides and hydroxides, but instead of stopping there, the carbon gets a fancy makeover, transforming into sparkling diamonds. Imagine a giant molten pot churning out diamonds instead of rust. Pretty cool, right? Now, these diamonds aren't the kind you'd find in a jewelry store. They're formed under extreme conditions deep within the Earth. But hey, the discovery opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Maybe one day we'll have Earth-grown diamonds, who knows? Imagine Earth's core as a giant, molten disco ball. Now picture a totally new wave rippling across it, grooving at a surprising 932 miles per year. That's what ESA's swarm satellites just revealed, and scientists are bugging out. This ain't your grandma's wave, though. It's a magnetic wave, unseen but definitely felt by Earth's magnetic field. Scientists suspected these waves existed, but they figured they were super slow, like watching paint dry. Turns out, they're more like a funky disco beat. We knew something wavy was going on down there, says lead researcher Nicolas Gillet, but we needed a space view to see the real deal. Thanks to Swarm's global coverage, They finally caught this mysterious wave in action. This discovery is a big deal. It helps us understand Earth's magnetic field better, which protects us from harmful space junk. Plus, it's just plain cool to know our planet's got some hidden moves. Who knows what other funky waves are waiting to be discovered? Stay tuned. Earth might just surprise us again. You're cruising down the Milky Way highway, windows down, wind in your hair. Except you're not in a car, you're on planet Earth. That's right. Scientists figured out our planet's path through the galaxy using something way tinier than a car, hair-thin crystals buried deep in the Earth's crust. Here's the deal. As Earth travels its galactic route, it bumps into icy debris floating around. Some of it crashes into our planet at supersonic speeds, leaving its mark on those tiny crystals. It's like a microscopic cosmic crime scene. By analyzing the age and makeup of these crystals, scientists can piece together Earth's galactic journey. Think of it like reading a timeline hidden in rocks. Each crystal impact whispers a story of where we were in the Milky Way and when. Pretty cool, right? Who knew tiny crystals could be such galactic detectives? This discovery helps us understand how our planet's history is intertwined with the galaxies. It's like looking back at an epic road trip through the cosmos, all thanks to some amazing science and some truly tiny clues. Imagine Earth has a hidden stash of super old gas from the dawn of the universe, leaking out like a fizzy soda bottle. That's what scientists just discovered about helium-3, a rare gas escaping from the planet's fiery core. This special helium ain't your party balloon kind. It's thought to be left over from the baby days of the universe when everything was swirling in giant dust clouds called solar nebulae. And guess what? Our solar system, including Earth, is believed to have formed in one of these cosmic dust bunnies. So, finding ancient helium-3 deep inside Earth is like finding a dusty attic photo, a clue to our planet's early life. This discovery is kind of like piecing together a cosmic puzzle. The more we learn about Earth's innards, the clearer the picture of our planet's history becomes. Imagine a giant hidden river flowing miles beneath the icy grip of Antarctica, longer even than London's famous Thames. That's what scientists just discovered using an airplane-mounted radar, like a super-powered treasure map scanner for Earth. This behemoth river, a whopping 285 miles long, snakes its way under the ice sheets, eventually emptying into the Weddell Sea. It's like a secret highway hidden beneath the frozen surface, and scientists are pumped. This discovery is a big deal for a few reasons. First, it helps us understand how Antarctica's ice sheets work, which is important for predicting things like sea level rise. Second, it's a glimpse into a hidden world, full of surprises waiting to be unraveled. Who knows what other secrets might be lurking beneath the ice? Forget tectonic plates. Imagine a hidden layer of partly melted rock chilling underneath them, like a giant, warm underfloor heating system for Earth. That's what scientists just discovered, and it's changing our understanding of how our planet works. This gooey layer, about 100 miles deep, hangs out in the asthenosphere, the part of Earth's mantle that lets tectonic plates slide around like giant pancakes. Scientists thought melted rock was key to this movement, but this new study says it's actually heat and rock flow that does the trick. Think of it like boiling water in a pot. The heat makes the water move, not the occasional bubble. That's kind of what's happening in Earth's mantle, with heat and rock swirling around, pushing the plates above. This discovery is a big deal because it helps us understand how Earth works, like predicting earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Plus, it's just plain cool to know there's a hidden layer of molten rock under our feet. Who knows what other surprises our planet is hiding? Imagine Earth has a secret stash of super hot, super dense rocks, hidden between its core and mantle like buried treasure. That's what geophysicists just discovered by digging through earthquake data, like Earth detectives solving a seismic mystery. These mysterious blobs aren't entirely new, but scientists hadn't gotten a good look at them before. Now, thanks to a clever trick of analyzing thousands of earthquake signals at once, instead of just a few, researchers from the University of Maryland have a clearer picture. It's like putting together a puzzle with way more pieces, revealing a hidden structure beneath the Marquesas Islands in the South Pacific. This discovery is exciting because it helps us understand how our planet works, like how heat moves around and maybe even how volcanoes erupt. Plus, it's just plain cool to know there's hidden stuff going on beneath our feet. Who knows what other treasures Earth might be keeping secret? Found. Imagine a giant water reservoir buried deep within Earth, holding enough water to fill every ocean on the planet 3 times over. That's what scientists just discovered. And it's like finding a hidden super sponge soaking up water in the Earth's mantle. Back in 2014, scientists planted thousands of earthquake detectors like tiny ears, listening to Earth's rumbles. The data they collected revealed a clue. A special rock called ringwoodite, found 400 miles down, where the pressure is intense enough to crush diamonds. But here's the cool part. This rock is a water hog, soaking it up like a sponge. Scientists say even if just a tiny bit, 1% of this ringwoodite holds water, it's enough for this record-breaking underground ocean. Think of it like a million microscopic sponges crammed together, explains geophysicist Steve Jacobson. The way ringwoodite is built lets it grab onto water molecules and hold them tight, even under crazy pressure. This discovery is a game changer. It helps us understand how our planet works, where water comes from, and maybe even how life started. From subterranean ecosystems teeming with life to hidden rivers under the Antarctic ice, Earth constantly surprises us with its secrets. Each discovery in this list is a portal to a fascinating world, waiting to be explored. If you like what I do in here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.